The Chinese-built Nairobi Expressway, which is about 70% complete, is expected to open by March 2022 in Kenya.
Integrated transport system was critical for us to make sure Nairobi becomes the premier hub, not just in Eastern Africa, but Eastern and Central, and even across Africa. We have employed 6,000 young men and women who have been trained by the contractor on this very technical job. We wanted our transport infrastructure to be properly integrated. And when I say transport, it's road transport, it's aviation, meaning the airlines, and also the SGR, because these are major investments in the transport sector.
The road is under construction via a public-private partnership model by the China Road and Bridge Corporation.
They have employed hundreds of Kenyans. All those people you see doing this work are Kenyans like you and I. They are being paid, they are feeding their families, and all this is money that is PPP. No debt from the government, yet this project will be executed. It will be carrying over 70,000 vehicles per day. It will help to decongest the city.
Kenyans are expected to pay to use the 27.1 kilometers road that will be the first toll expressway in the East African nation.